From wild environmental science comes
the Historian Treasure Hunter Kit.
Explore the mysteries of the Egyptian civilization and the magical world of the Mayans. Dig and discover stunning museum-quality Mayan artifacts and find Egyptian treasures the grave robbers missed. There are hidden messages everywhere, but only you can crack the secrets. Follow ancient recipes to make replicas of 4 classic amulets from both civilizations. Paint and varnish them to look like the originals. Every item has a story and challenges in the beautifully written and illustrated booklet. Discover precious minerals like Mayan obsidian and Egyptian crystal alum. Explore ancient special effects as the eyes of the corn god follow you around the room. Discover how Egyptian chemists made muddy Nile water drinkable. Dye your special bandages with natural ingredients. And learn the ancient art of mummy wrapping. Did visitors from the future come to teach them to make reed boats, pyramids and more? Well, find out for yourself.
The Historian Treasure Hunter Kit by Wild Environmental Science.
From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Aquatic Predators Kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models of the deadly blue ring octopus and cone shell. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. Assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle of a piranha. The full-colour instruction book and huge poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the scariest, the strangest, and the most dangerous aquatic predators on the planet. If you're wild about aquatic predators, you'll love Extreme Aquatic Predators of the World by Wild Environmental Science.
From Wild Environmental Science comes the Marine Biologist Oceanic Jewels Kit. Use real chemical reactions to build an artificial reef and grow instant chemical coral. Watch it growing right before your eyes. Make colourful chemical mixtures to make more coral effects and keep your finished seascapes in 2 spectacular display tanks. The Marine Biologist Oceanic Jewels Kit by Wild Environmental Science.
Environmental Science comes the Extreme Dinosaurs of the World Kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models of a Spinosaurus nest with eggs and crime scene footprints. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. Assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle of a velociraptor. The full-colour instruction book and huge poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the scariest, the strangest, and the most dangerous dinosaurs on the planet. If you're wild about dinosaurs, you'll love Extreme Dinosaurs of the World by Wild Environmental Science.
We need positive climate action now. And helping our children develop climate awareness is one vital strategy. To help them navigate towards a sustainable future, we've designed a kit full of powerful hands-on activities delivering direct evidence through experimentation. Start by creating a complete world with lakes, gardens, and real ice glaciers. Add the dome, and out into the environment, the Earth heats up the air. The winds start to blow from the cold to warm zones. But look what is happening. The glaciers are melting and flooding the land. It's time to green up our planet. You can grow salad plants and other types of vegetation. As the plants grow, they cool the air and they make rainwater. Test the rainwater for purity. You can even test for pollution. Test again. Acid rain. So what does that mean for our world? Try this test. The white color means a lot of carbon dioxide in your breath. Is that a problem for a green world? Let's find out. Test again, and the carbon dioxide is gone. That's why we need a green world. What's happening at the Earth's poles? Icebergs are forming. Watch the currents that feed our oceans. Without ice, we have no currents. Climate change is the defining issue of our time. Let's help young people understand these changes and help build a climate-safe future. The Environmentalist: Save the Planet by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Sharks of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-color instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the most ravenous, the ugliest, and the most deadly sharks on the planet. If you're wild about sharks, then you'll love Extreme Sharks of the World by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Chemist Laboratory Experiment Kit. Use real lab equipment and chemicals to see amazing chemical reactions in action. Investigate awesome acids and bases and test pH with a universal indicator. Make some groovy gases with a bubbly reaction that can blow up a balloon. And make a fire extinguisher with invisible carbon dioxide gas. Discover why wonderful water sticks to itself to climb up a flower stalk, but how it hates mixing with oil. See an amazing metal grow from a copper sulfate solution and use real chemistry lab skills like measuring, filtering, and dissolving. The Chemist Laboratory Experiment includes over 46 tools and ingredients to do more than 50 spectacular science experiments. To fascinate and inspire any curious chemist, plus full-color instructions packed with science facts. The Chemist Laboratory Experiment Kit by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Snakes of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-color instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the hugest, the weirdest, the fastest, the most poisonous, and the scariest snakes on the planet. If you're wild about snakes, then you'll love Extreme Snakes of the World by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Geologist Underground Wonders Kit. Mix crystal-growing chemicals. Grow sparkling crystals on plaster rock formations and make your own glistening geodes. Fold a stalactite cave display case to make a cave full of crystals. create a crystal column, make a jumbo-sized crystal, and grow crystal shards to store and show off your crystal creations. Geologist Underground Wonders by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Crocodiles of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the most dangerous, the smartest, and the most deadly crocodiles on the planet. If you're wild about crocodiles, you'll love Extreme Crocodiles of the World by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Criminologist Forensic Medicine Kit. Uh-oh, who stole the vase? Trapped, even wearing gloves. Only one of these is safe to touch, but which one? You can't fool the wild detective. So which black pen wrote the message? When you've got the lab and you've got the know-how, it's just like matching DNA. Look, this criminal is getting careless. And yes, it's another match. Fingerprints. Well, you dust and lift. Check your suspects, and there in black and white, a match. You can create and reveal secret writing. Check for fake banknotes, test fibre samples, and more with the Criminologist Forensic Medicine Kit by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Cats of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the scariest, the weirdest, the fastest, the most athletic, and the most dangerous big cats on the planet. If you're wild about cats, you'll love Extreme Cats of the World by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Archaeologist Secrets of Our Planet kit. Explore volcanoes, fossils, dinosaurs, gems, minerals, lab work and more. Mix up your own lava bombs and erupt the volcano craters. Make invisible volcanic gas and see real science in action. Create a colour change in bubbling mineral springs. Experiment to reveal the secret beginnings of minerals and gems. Take a trip back 500 million years and create your own fossilized rock. 4 eras, 4 amazing fossils to be revealed. Excavate a sedimentary rock and collect all the bones, minerals and semi-precious gems like tiger eye and volcanic obsidian. Be a mineralogist, pan for golden pyrites, and discover real magnetite.
Be a paleontologist and make a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Amazing experiments and all the equipment you need to do them. In The Archaeologist, Secrets of Our Planet by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the extreme Wild Canids of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the smelliest, the cutest, the meanest, and the scariest dogs on the planet. If you're wild about dogs, then you'll love Extreme Wild Canids of the World by Wild Environmental Science. From Wild Environmental Science comes the Volcanologist Colourful Breaks Kit. Volcano Island includes 4 craters, 11 colour calderas, 3 colour springs, lava cascade, rainbow storm and more. Mix up your own rainbow lava bombs and erupt them in the island craters. Colour the calderas and watch the rainbow lava flow. Observe stunning after-dark, glowing lava flows. Recreate 4 world-famous volcanoes from Italy, Africa, Antarctica and America. Paint them in glowing colours. Explore colour change mineral springs. Design slow-motion rainbow flowers that grow by day and glow by night. Set up the rainbow storm pool. Touch the pool 3 times and watch the reaction. All these experiments and more in the full-colour Discovery booklet. The Volcanologist Colourful Breaks Kit by Wild Environmental Science.
From Wild Environmental Science comes the Doctor the Human Body Kit. Explore the incredible science of the human body. Learn about the chemicals and systems that keep us alive. Discover brain science and the nervous system. Learn about the respiratory system and how viruses multiply. Experiment with the chemistry of the digestive system. And explore the musculoskeletal system. Learn real laboratory skills using the lab equipment and included chemicals. Mix up some fake blood for a blood typing simulation. Add the reagents and interpret the results. Make solutions and a pH indicator to create a test tube digestive system. Learn how gooey snot is a first line of defense against disease. Experiment with the gases in air. Capture your own breath and see how it changes the color of a solution. Extract real DNA from strawberries. Extract protein from milk to make solid shapes and starch from a potato to make slime. Investigate the unique properties of water that make it essential for life. Mix and mold amazing anatomical models to explore the bones of the hand and the regions of the brain. Experiment with smell, touch, taste, hearing, and sight to explore sensory perception. Learn lots of fun facts about the human body and discover amazing breakthroughs in modern medical science. The Doctor the Human Body Lab includes over 40 tools and ingredients and full colour instructions for over 50 science experiments exploring the chemistry and biology of the human body. The Doctor the Human Body Kit by Wild Environmental Science.